Hello and welcome to the 13th part of podcast, 13th episode of podcast. Today we're going to make a Harry Potter trivia quiz. I have Sena here with me. Sena, how are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
Thank you very much. I'm fine too. So we're gonna start with true and false questions. 4 true and false questions. Okay, I'm gonna start with first one. Gryffindor's house symbol is a lion. True or false?
True.
Yes. Gilderoy Lockhart claims that 46 people had sent him Valentine's cards in Chamber of Secrets. True or false? That's a hard one.
False, I guess.
No, sorry, that was true. He's kind of famous in the second book. Ron Weasley vomited butterflies when his wand backfired in Philosopher's... His wand backfired in the Chamber of Secrets. True or false?
False.
Yes, it's false.
Say something!
So, now, on to the second part. I'm gonna say a quote and you're going to guess who said it. So, I'm gonna start. Have a biscuit, Potter. Who do you think says that?
Can you repeat it?
Have a biscuit, Potter. No. It's Minerva McGonagall. She says it in the 5th book. Where,
Yeah, I remember.
when Harry disses Dolores Umbridge. She gives him a cookie. So, you're saying it wrong. It's Wingardium Leviosa, not
Hermione
Levio.
Granger.
That's a famous quote. Of course, you know that one. So,
Saying it wrong. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
third one. No posts on Sundays.
Vernon Dursley.
Yeah, Vernon Dursley in the first book.
Yeah.
No post on Sundays.
So I'm gonna start with test questions now. What is the name of the spell that Hermione uses to erase her parents' memories of her? A. Obliviate. B. Petrificus Totalus. C. Stupefy. This
A. Obliviate. It's a forget wizard, I guess.
Yeah, it erases your memories.
Second one is just...
It freezes you.
Yeah.
It freezes you. So this is one of the most heartbreaking scenes in all of the series where
Yeah.
Obliviate.
Hermione erases her own parents' memories so they can stay safe and send them to Australia. I don't know if they reunite after that. Do they?
I
I'm
think
not sure.
Hermione, after come to everything is over, she fix everything again.
That's true. I haven't read the 8th book. It's kind of trash. So, second question. What is the name of the village where Harry's parents and other Order of the Phoenix members are buried? A. Godric's Hollow. B. Little Whining. D. Great Angleton.
Godric's Hollow.
Yeah, Godric's Hollow.
Albus Dumbledore is growing there too.
Yeah, Albus Dumbledore grew there too. It's the street where Harry was born.
Yeah.
His parents lived. What is the name of the house elf who serves the Black family? A. Creature. B. Dobby. C. Winky.
Creature.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you remember who Winky was?
Winky was ministers.
Yeah,
Right.
that guy's house elf. She
Yeah.
she became an alcoholic after they
Yeah.
they freed her. It was kind of heartbreaking and funny at the same time.
They was good friend with Dobby.
Yeah, they became good friends with Dobby, but because Dobby's an outcast,
Yeah.
she kind of distanced herself from him. Okay. Fourth question. Who is the first person to fall victim to the basilisk in Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets? A. Nearly Headless Nick. B. Colin Creevey. C. Mrs. Norris.
Mrs. Norris.
Yeah, Mrs. Norris. Fletcher's cat.
Yeah.
Fifth question. What is the name of the pub where Harry first meets Hagrid? A. The Leaky Cauldron. B. The Three Broomsticks. C. The Hogshead.
A.
Yeah, A. The Leaky Cauldron.
They
It's-
was go to Dragon Alley after.
Yeah, it's the entrance to Dragon's Alley, of course. What is the name of Hagrid's giant half-brother? A. Grawp, B. Aragog, C. Firenze.
Grog.
Grawp.
Yeah,
Yeah?
Grog.
Yeah. A. It was kind of hilarious how Hermione
Yeah.
tried to bond with him, and he just
He gave a bicycle,
yeah.
if I remember wrong. True.
Yeah, is the name of the goblin who assists Harry, Ron, and Hermione in breaking into Gringotts Bank. A. Griffook, B. Bogrod, C. Travers.
Griffook.
Yeah, Griffook. A. That's true too. He's also the goblin who assists Harry into the bank the first time he enters it with Hagrid. Eighth question. What is the name of the street where the Dursleys live? A. Privet Drive, B. Magnolia Crescent, C. Grimmauld Place.
Privet Drive.
Yeah, Privet Drive. That was an easy question.
McGonagall waits in there after Lily and James die.
Yeah, she waits there in her cat form
Yeah.
for a whole day for Dumbledore arrive. So, what is the name of the ghost who haunts the Ravenclaw common room? A. The Grey Lady, B. Nearly Headless Nick, C. The Bloody Baron.
Grey Lady.
Yeah, the Grey Lady. She's also the one Harry Potter goes to talk about the diadem
Yeah.
in the seventh book.
She did help the Harry, right?
Yeah, she did after some convincing,
Yeah.
but at the end she did help him. So I'm gonna ask two questions without choices now.
Okay.
The last two questions. Tell me, who is the head professor of House of Slytherin?
Professor Snape.
Yeah, Professor Snape and Slughorn
Yeah. After.
in the past. Yeah.
Turn to page 394.
So, second, what was Professor Snape's nickname? It's an easy one.
I know in Turkish, but
It's the name of a whole book. It's the title of the.
has
book.
Severus Snape.
No, Half-Blood Prince.
Huh, okay.
Let's look how many questions you answered right and how many you answered wrong. You answered 13 questions out of 15 right. Congratulations.
Thank you.
That was it. Yeah. Thank you for listening to this episode and our rant about Harry Potter. Sena was our guest today. See you in the next episode.
See you later.